Hi everyone, it's week 9, and this week's discussion board question is about whether I would choose to vote for Benazir Bhutto or Nawaz Sharif. I think that is a lesser of two evils question, not an easy answer. While Bhutto was well educated and charismatic, she was a young woman in a male-dominated government. She had no political experience, and her popularity came from her father's martyrdom. Her goal was democracy for Pakistan. Unfortunately, her husband was accused of skimming profits off of government contracts. Sharif, on the other hand, just seems shifty to me. He knew better how to play the political games, but apparently not well enough. Sharif may have claimed he was pro-democracy, but he is credited with establishing a parliamentary dictatorship. In the end, I would have voted for Bhutto in hopes for a democracy.